Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's special presentation entitled All New Financial Freedom Summit. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest, and man, am I excited to give this presentation this week. Our goal here at VectorVest is to provide the best guidance for the best price anywhere. One of our biggest assets is the education we provide. The Financial Freedom Summit is the epitome of the quality education we deliver to our subscribers. It's probably one of the biggest reasons you subscribe to this software. Now, I looked up the word summit. A summit is a conference of the highest levels of officials, normally heads of state. Hopefully, this is a clue to just how big this is and how important it can be for you. This summit is brand new, and we are excited to present it to you. We are bringing together instructors and coaches from around the world just for you. That in and of itself should be exciting. Now, let me take you to the summit website, which is www.vectorvest.com/summit. Once you type that in, it will take you to this page, which is the Financial Freedom Summit. You can register right from the top of the page. Now, first off, the summit is free. It is a free online event that will take place on Tuesday, December 17th, 2019. Folks, this is going to be a 12-hour educational live streamed event. It also shows you down below, it's the Financial Freedom Summit, Information to Build Wealth. That is our goal as an investor in the stock market. We do have a countdown to when the registration closes, and you can register here. Wait, you haven't registered yet? All right, let me explain to you what you're getting. First off, it is a free online event which will feature terrific keyword here, actionable information to help you achieve a prosperous lifestyle free of financial worry. Folks, listen to that. Free of financial worry. Now, in order to get here, financial literacy is essential to achieving true financial freedom. And that's what the VectorVest Financial Freedom Summit is all about. Giving you the knowledge and information. Keywords here. Knowledge and information. Not news, not data, but actionable information necessary to build wealth, no matter where you are in your journey. If you're just starting out, for all of those people who just recently joined VectorVest who are new to the market, we're here for you. Or if you're decades in, you already know how to trade, this event has valuable, keyword again, information to help you reach your goals. We've assembled an expert panel of speakers from around the world to share their keys to successful investing with you. But first, folks, we're going to start from the beginning with an introduction to investing in the stock market. So guess what? No prior knowledge is necessary. Building wealth and achieving financial independence requires intentional, deliberate action on your part. So yes, it does take some work, but we're going to lessen the learning curve to help you get to where you need to be for financial freedom. It doesn't happen by accident, and it doesn't happen overnight. Folks, there is no holy grail. There is no magic bullet. But if you do the right things, you have the information and the knowledge that you need, you will attain that financial freedom. With that said, everyone can do it. That's right, even you. And we're going to show you how. Now, if you still haven't registered by now, let me explain to you how big this is. We've assembled 12 speakers from around the world. Learn from the experts from around the world who will transform the way you think about investing. That's key. We will transform the way you think about investing. Starting off will be Ray Clark, the Vice President of Education. Followed by him will be Ron Wheeler and Brian D'Amico. Both of them are excellent instructors and coaches when it comes down to options. Next, we have Susan Hayes. She's the Managing Director of VectorVest Europe. Followed by her will be Jerry D'Ambrosio, the Manager of Educational Content here at VectorVest. Someone who I got to spend some time with last week, Dr. David Paul. He is the Managing Director of VectorVest UK. Here in the office, we have Jim Penna, the Manager of Retirement Services at VectorVest. And outside of the country again, Stan Heller, the Managing Director of VectorVest Canada. Well, here's little old me, Glenn Tompkins. I will be also giving a presentation. I'm a senior instructor here at VectorVest. We also have, outside of VectorVest, Brian Overby, the Senior Options Analyst at one of our broker partners, Ally Invest. Outside of VectorVest as well, Mark Noble, the Senior Vice President of ETF Strategies from Horizons ETFs. Guess what? We've got a lot of people been looking to invest in ETFs. He's going to bring that ETF insight to the software. He's also in management in Canada. And then we have Russell Markham, the Director of Education and Training in VectorVest Asia Pacific. Folks, 12 outstanding instructors, coaches put together for you for this 12-hour educational live streamed event. Now, on top of that, if you want to know what's going on at what times, we'll scroll down a little bit. We'll get to the agenda. And this is subject to change. Look at the bottom. Hours are subject to change, so please check back for updates. Brand new to the market, we're going to show you how to introduction into stock market investing, followed by minimizing risks, how to find the right stocks, marijuana ETFs. That's also a hot topic. Well, we've got someone from Horizons where we'll talk about marijuana ETFs. Safe and steady income with power of dividends. Folks, for those longer term investors in the market, your retirement minded people, you're not going to want to miss this. ETF trends in 2019 and beyond. Get you on top of those ETFs to really keep your eye on. Then we're going to speed it up a little bit. The anatomy of the swing trade. Trading with technical indicators. Swing trading with reversal patterns. So for those of you who are a little bit more aggressive, remember, we can start from the beginner in the market all the way to someone who's been in the market for decades. Well, we'll give you an intro to options. We'll talk about the intro to covered calls and things to avoid. So if you've ever traded a covered call and it didn't work out, we're going to teach you some of the things to avoid to make you better as an option trader. How to use puts for profit and protection. Understanding option pricing and the intro to the option spreads. We're going to cover a lot of the full gambit of options to set you at ease. Let us make it a little easier for you to understand how to trade options, because every investor should have options in their tool belt. And then we're going to teach you how to find the right stocks for your SMSF account, that is in Australia. And then we're going to also show you safe and steady income for worry-free retirement. Folks, as I scroll back up, this is the first time ever we've assembled all of these coaches in one event. You don't want to miss this. If you're ready and willing to take your investing to the next level, or if you want to hone your skills on your current investing, this summit is for you. This is an investment of time for your financial prosperity. Folks, you don't want to miss out, so take advantage of it. So with that, I'd like to say thank you for joining me for this exciting presentation. You now know where to go and how to register. You don't want to miss this. But if you have any questions, by all means, please give our product support staff a call. They will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for your time this evening, and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.